Hi there, it's Jacqueline from Homeworks Etc. I am introducing May's DIY box subscriptions today. We have the lemon theme for this month. We have our tier tray subscription, 6 pieces is our standard kit. And of course with the deluxe kit you get all the extras with our raspberry lemon soy candle, our bead and tassel set, as well as this lemon ceramic mug. Perfect for the kitchen. As you can see, we have some extra accessories as well with the same theme in mind. Our DIY club includes this ice cold lemonade sign as well as the bead kit with our lemon cutout. Our DIY kits are coming with our paint palette, which is our acrylic paint with 5 different paint colors, as well as our premium brush kits. They're for you to wash and reuse for the next few months. So I hope that you see these themes all coordinate with each other so you can add on to your subscriptions. As well, you can check out our website for more information at homeworksetc.ca.